Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to compare a couple of headlamps from Milwaukee Tools. Whether you're working in confined spaces or burning the midnight oil on a job site, personal work lighting is a must-have. Sure, large floodlights and light towers do a great job at lighting a job site as a whole, but once you start getting into the nitty-gritty details of your job, a direct light source will help you get the job done quicker and safer. Milwaukee Tools, known for its high-quality power tools, has an equally high-quality solution to personal work lighting. In this video, we're going to compare the Alkaline Headlamp to the USB Rechargeable Hard Hat Headlamp. Starting with the Alkaline, this headlamp is powered by AAA batteries and pumps out 350 lumens of TrueView high-definition output in a wide flood beam. It has 3 light output modes that control brightness, allowing you to achieve up to 28 hours of runtime. This headlamp was designed to be compact and lightweight, making it a minimal addition to your tool bag or backpack. However, that doesn't diminish its toughness. It has an impact-resistant housing and an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance. This headlamp can withstand the toughest conditions you can throw at it. The Alkaline Headlamp includes a strap that's made of washable, sweat-absorbing microfiber, ensuring all-day comfort. It also includes 4 clips to secure it to a hard hat, and best of all, it's covered by Milwaukee's limited lifetime warranty. Moving on to the USB Rechargeable Hard Hat Headlamp, this light features similar performance as the Alkaline, but has been supercharged by Milwaukee's red lithium battery. With the included USB cable, you can charge this thing 3 times faster and get over 2,000 recharges. Performance-wise, you'll get up to 31 hours of 475 lumen TrueView high-definition output, with 5 beam modes including flood, spot, and a flood-spot combination with optional brightness settings. But unlike the Alkaline, this headlamp has been optimized for use on hard hats with its slip-resistant strap and hard hat clips that give it ultimate security. The body is also made of a water, dust, and drop-resistant material that stands up to the toughest conditions. And it's covered by that limited lifetime warranty we mentioned before. To see these 2 headlamps and our entire selection of personal or job site lighting solutions, head over to gmesupply.com.